Official Creality Ender 3 3D printer, fully open source with resume printing function. DIY 3D printers, printing size 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3 aluminum 220 by 220 by 250 mm 3D printer is a budget-friendly and versatile 3D printer that can be used for various applications. Benefits: easy assembly. The printer comes with several pre-assembled parts, making it easy to assemble. Resume printing function. The printer has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. Advanced extruder technology. The upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. Large print volume. The printer has a large print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, which is suitable for printing larger objects. Drawbacks: limited compatibility. The printer may not be compatible with all 3D printing software. Not industrial grade, designed for general 3D printing, not heavy-duty industrial use. Overall, the Comgrow Creality Ender 3 aluminum 220 by 220 by 250 mm 3D printer is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable and easy-to-use 3D printer. At a price of $169, it's a reliable and versatile option.